Want to communicate directly with your Dasher? DoorDash provides in-app chat and delivery notes for seamless communication. Once a Dasher is assigned, typically 10 to 15 minutes before pickup, you can start a chat via the order tracking screen in the app. This allows for real-time text-based communication, including emojis and quick replies. You can also send photo attachments in the chat for delivery verification if needed. Delivery notes are pre-order instructions added during checkout, such as leave at front door or specific directions. Both features aim to minimize errors and ensure clear communication. In fact, 80% of deliveries involve either a note or chat. Remember, the Dasher can see these notes upon accepting the order, so be as specific as possible. Also, DoorDash uses AI to translate chats into over 20 languages. To make the most of these features, be proactive and clear in your communication. Use delivery notes for essential instructions and the chat for real-time updates or clarifications. Be respectful and avoid unnecessary chats, as Dashers can opt out of non-essential communication. A key trend is the increasing use of AI to enhance communication, with DoorDash using smart chat AI assistants that suggest personalized message templates. The future outlook points to hyper-personalization, with AI anticipating your needs and suggesting relevant delivery notes. Expect sustainability notes like eco-friendly packaging requests and features supporting Dasher mental health. DoorDash aims for zero-friction deliveries by 2030. The use of in-app chats has reduced support tickets by 40% for non-English speaking customers, with notes enabling precise instructions for rural deliveries. Expert opinions show that AI is the key to scaling personalization without human oversight.